You're playing Snake Keyboard ASMR.
I'm quiet. Look.
You know I can scream louder.
Kakasi ka. Ooh! Oh, free admin, free admin. Free... Ba't yung naman yung admin?
Free admin.
Go! Kaya namatay, sabi mo kasi free admin.
Free admin.
Lock in, guys.
Free admin.
Ha! Hindi yun nag-touch, di ba?
What if you die?
Rage quit.
What if you die?
Yan na naman siya. Last night, nag-rage quit ako dahil sa kanya eh. Parang siya sabi, what if you die? Tapos bigla akong namatay.
Imagine you die. Imagine you die. So rage quit. Imagine you die. Imagine you die.
Yan na naman siya.
Imagine you die. Can't remember.
Nag-notice ko.
Imagine you die.
You can do it. You. Yes!
Imagine you die.
Oh!
Imagine you
Oh! Muntik na yun ah. Ha? Ha?
die.
Ba't ganon?
Die. Imagine you died.
Ha?
Imagine you died.
Mag-rage quit na naman ako. Guys, mamaya guys, mag-race kami. Pero magpapa-level muna ako. Level 1 pa lang ata ako dun eh.
Imagine you die.
Save.
Imagine you die. The wave is faster. No. Hey, come with
Ikaw na. Wait.
Nah.
Okay na. Sige. Ga! Bro, ang tagal naman. Imagine you die. Imagine you die. Imagine you... Imagine you die. Imagine you die. Go! Hindi na yung kita.
Wait.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Imagine you die. Wow! Go! Go. Imagine you die. On the way.
One more. Oh no.
Done. Go. Imagine you die. Go!
Wait. Just wait, okay?
Parang gutom ah. Ano? Go! Ba't kanya yung pati mo? Hindi na. Ready, set, jump. Jump! I told you to jump. Ako naman.
I just jumped, bro. I just missed jump. Do you know like missing jumping? Yeah, that. Imagine you die.
Ano ba? So, be quiet.
Imagine you die.
Just imagine you die but never dies.
Don't stop running.
Why?
Because I said so.
Why?
I said don't stop running.
Wait lang. Nasa safe zone ako, so pwede. Go! Girl, did you know you're...
Why are you so obsessed with me?
Nah, bro's obsessed.
Well, why are you so obsessed with me, girl? I wanna know.
Pare niya. Wait. Yan. Okay, it's my turn. Hoy, namatay ka na.
I'm gonna see Jenny.
Ha, stage 8.
After I love this,
Yuck. Uy, may golden key.
what golden?
Hindi mo alam eh. Damn, bro, that boy just died. How did I die? I was in the same zone.
You're not.
Silence, do not die.
Only Avatar.
Ano?
Only Avatar can die, not the screen.
Boy.
Why is that?
I didn't say anything. I said just boy.
Why is that?
Bro's
What's
obsessed with that trend.
What's 20 plus 20 plus 7? Wait, wrong. What's 20 plus 20 plus 20 equal plus 7?
Everything.
6, 7. Go slower.
6-7 kid ka kasi. Oh, namatay. No! Huh?
Boy.
How did he survive?
It's my turn.
How did he Bro, how did he survive?
One more! Well, why is so obsessed with
Bro. It's my turn.
No.
Kumuha ka kasi nung
Only,
ring.
only if you die.
No.
Yes.
Pagka kinuha mo yung ring. Kaya nga challenge to, diba? Yung challenge natin, do not
I'm
die.
feeding the dog. I'm feeding the dog.
Feeling?
Feeding.
Akala ko
I
feeling.
kind of feel bad.
Why?
I easily feel bad from the dog. Ba! On! On na! On na!
May buwan ako. Sino? Steven? Ano si Steven?
Frank!
Ano nanay mo?
Why is so obsessed with me?
Saka yung
But why is so obsessed with me? But why is so obsessed with me? That I wanna know. Boy, why are you so obsessed? Boy, why are you so obsessed with me? That I wanna know. Yes, 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 yes! Bro died. Martin bro died. Well, why is so? Yeah. Oh my God! Where do you learn that word? We'll learn another word. Ano yung dahil?
Sino yan? Daddy?
6,
Daddy?
7.
Isa nga tayo isa. O, Daddy. Daddy. Daddy, siya yung isa nga tayo.
Oh, me. What's me?
Ayan, yung salamin mo, mapakan. Ayan, yung salamin mo, mapakan. Ayan. Ayan yung sa ibabaw.
You're dirty. Did I? Wait. You think you whatever the water was spicy so. Why make bubbles?
Play ka na. Ben, play ka ni Muno. Play ka ni Muno. Tawa si Muno.
Let's do it at the floor. The